Evaluating dealer profitability in 2026 starts with one question. Where is your finance desk losing time? And where is it winning approvals? Profitability is shaped by operational efficiency. Here are 4 steps to assess any solution before you commit. Step 1. Audit your workflow. Map an application from inquiry to disbursement. Manual document uploads quietly erode your margin. Step 2. Benchmark multi-financier matching. A strong platform routes one submission to multiple partners for side-by-side rate comparisons. Step 3. Look at income tools. Seek tiered volume incentives and floor stock financing to fund used car inventory. Step 4. Validate automation. Confirm the platform uses AI to extract data from documents and automated pre-screening to filter risk. Plan a clear timeline for audit, benchmarking, and ROI verification before you scale across the business. Profitability is a measurable outcome. The Xport platform is built for this workflow. Follow the link below for the full guide.